Make sure it's full passable. What's up with it, bro? I see you growing, man. You need some new Instagram followers or something? Tell them your Instagram.
It's DVD Luis.
DVD Luis. Already, he in the bit. LC, you finna make a full pass? That's what you in here for? We finna make sure it can make a full pass, because I'm pretty sure Pedro got out of it and said, man, this motherfucker went to the right. I didn't even know what the fuck. Wait, I didn't even do anything. I was holding the fucking wheel straight. Bitch starts turning left. I turn right, it goes back left. I'm like, what the fuck? Hey, Wade, I'm gonna let you drive it and you're gonna see what the fuck I'm talking about. You watch, Wade. It's gonna pull to the right. Everything's freaking brand new. New suspension, ball joints, every fucking thing. It shouldn't be pulling anywhere. I fucking got an alignment. Alright, we finna. Hey, come over here, Peppo. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Shout out to my boy, the Stone Vet. Get well. Yeah, dude, my freaking wife had COVID, and they said that I'm gonna have to freaking not be around anyone for at least 14 days. So I'm not gonna go to the track. We're gonna miss you guys. I'm gonna go over here and smoke OG all the 2 weeks that I'm not around you guys. By the way, I'm the Stone Vet. Yeah, and I have a Subaru. Yeah, I named it Subi. Yeah. I'm gonna have to start trying to get more money coming up, guys. Yeah, dude. I'm the freaking Stone Vet, and I'm stoned in my Subaru named Subi. Yeah. My girl Molly, we were gonna put nitrous on top of my Subi, because you know it has a little turbo, but she doesn't want me to mess it up, so I was gonna leave it alone, dude. Thinking about putting nitrous on something else. I got a freaking van, man, but I was thinking I might need that van for when I have my kid, so I don't know if I want to actually use nitrous on it. But if you said it's gonna hold up, I mean, freak, it is gonna hold up. It does has a little oil leak. I just added a bottle of Lucas in it. Oh yeah, I freaking love to put Lucas in. I actually seen it work. At first, I looked under there. There was a freaking big puddle of oil. I put the freaking Lucas in it. 2 drops. Hey guys, if you're interested in watching full screen HD from TikTok, check out Lookout Racing on YouTube. Let's see what LC gonna do. LC, I'll get in that bitch and make a full pass first try. I can hear him now. Yeah, that's the type of burn. There go Pedro, right? Yeah. You hear him, Pedro? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. You seen that little weak ass?
When he did what LC told us.
Yeah. Yeah. See, he seen how to do it this time. Yeah, LC in there. Yeah, that's LC. He see that burnout he did. That's how you supposed to do it, man. Yeah. 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 Let him drag that motherfucker on. Yeah. Pro mod burnout. Full pass or no full pass, y'all? Oh, the juice sounds good and clear. Damn. That bitch getting up out those gates though. That bitch uncontrollable off that line. Oh, Pedro! It is.
You need to drive.
Yeah, cause damn. Yeah, the LC need to get his. Man.
Y'all get that ass up out of
He said now one of their ass can try. The LC need to get his ass up out of there. Oh shit. Look at all my people that's on TikTok, man. I'm live right now on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Oh wait. Where y'all been at? Yeah, I'm live on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, man. It's going down, it's been going down. Y'all come check me out. We got a lot of people in the chat, betting and everything, man. Y'all come on over. I'm trying to get some new subscribers, some new subies. Y'all need some subies.